Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I was able to achieve this ombre lip tutorial. If you're just watching me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. My name is Lizzie. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos too. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to apply foundation on her lip. So this is going to be a matte lippy tutorial today. So I'm just going to apply foundation as the base. This is just like prepping the lips so that the lip stain can last for a long time. So all I did was to ask her to smile so that I could get in between those lines on her lips. Of course, you know that we all do have those lines naturally. Thereafter, I went in with an outline using this Davis brow pencil in the shade 0.018. So I'm just going to outline her lips like this. So this is going to be a guide for me so that when I pick my lip stain, it will just be very easy for me to trace the outline using the lip stain and using the pencil that I have already drawn on her lips. So I'm just going to draw that outline on her upper lip and then also on her lower lip like this. So after doing that, I'm going to pick up a brown lippy just to trace that outline that I have right there. So I'm just going to apply that on the area where I had already used my brow pencil. So guys, for the upper part of her lip, you need to make sure that it has a love sign just at the middle, or it forms a W sign just at the middle of her upper lip. And then after that, you can just blend in the outer corners of her lips towards the inner corners of her lips. So moving on guys, I'm going to pick up this purple shade of lippy from Chic Cosmetics, and it is a Nigerian brand and they have been doing amazingly well. So guys, I'm going to go over the same process again. I'm just going to apply the purple shade of lippy where I have the brown shade of lippy. So I'm just going to outline the outer corners of her lips like this. So right now I'm going to pick up this nude shade from the same lip palette, Chic Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner of her lip. If you watch this video very well, you discover that I am only tapping that lippy on her lip so that it stays and so that it can last for the whole of the day. So all you have to do is to tap, keep tapping, do not drag. You already know that we have the foundation. We had already applied foundation on her lips as the base, so everything is just going to stay put. Nothing moves anywhere. It's just going to stay matte all day. But you also have to try on your own aspect to tap. Do not drag so that everything can last for a long time. So at this point, while I'm tapping, I'm just going to make sure that I blend the purple into the nude shade so that we do not have purple hanging one side and then nude hanging another side. So you need to make sure that you blend everything together so that it looks nice. So right now I'm going to pick up a lip blending brush so that it can help me blend the two colors together. But like I said, you don't want purple hanging one side and then the nude hanging another side. So you need to make sure that you blend everything properly using whatever technique can help you. But I think that this brush has helped me a lot. So if you have something similar to this brush that I am using at this moment, you could actually use it to blend the two colors together so that it looks good. So for the inner corner of her lips, I'm going to go in with a lighter shade, and I will be using this white shade for the inner corner of her lip. And after placing that at the inner corner of her lip, I'm just going to blend. And by blending, I mean I'm just going to tap throughout the whole process. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it has been helpful. If it has, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment in the comment section, guys. If you've not watched my previous videos, please do that, because it's going to help you to know, just in case you want to learn how to apply makeup, you want to learn how to tie gele. I have lots and lots of beautiful stuff for you guys. Please do check out my previous videos, and also turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this particular video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.